Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Gaming Strongman, and in this video I'm going to go through a quick tutorial on how to set up your vertical plugin in OBS and then how to stream to YouTube Shorts and to TikTok whilst also streaming to your main platform, whether that be Kick, Twitch or YouTube as well. So let me go to this screen here. We need to head over to aitum.tv/#vertical, and this will bring you to this page here. You don't have to create an account or anything. Come down here to the Aitum vertical plugin for OBS, click on download and follow the download process. Make sure that you have OBS closed when you download it. Then when you open OBS, you should come up with this vertical screen here. So I will just get that docked back in here. So that will also give you a list of vertical scenes and your vertical sources here. So now we've got this, we want to make sure that everything is linked up with your main scenes that you have already down this side to your new scenes here. So what you want to do is you want to create a new scene, click on the plus button. I will then click onto maybe gameplay. I will right click on that and it'll click on link scenes, and then I can link the gameplay scene to the gameplay. So now when I click on gameplay, everything is all synced up and how it should be. And then if I was to click on just chatting, and there we go. So it takes us to a just chatting scene. I've also tested this on my Stream Deck mobile, and changing scenes on there does change both your normal stream and your vertical stream scenes. So everything is linked exactly how we want it to be. Okay, so if I go back to screen share, okay, so now once you've got all of your scenes set up, you then need to add in your sources for each scene for your stream. So I just basically copied over what I wanted on for each scene here for in each scenario here. So obviously sharing the screen here. I've also on my vertical added in a chat box just because it's easier to see the screen, and then my camera as well so you guys can see me. Add in all your audio as well, so I've got my Blu-ray mic, my desktop audio because I've usually got some sort of music running, and then my capture card audio will come through here as well when I'm in my gameplay scene. I made a quick video for my stinger. I made it into a vertical, so when the scenes change, it just keeps all the brand matching, and it's the same length time video, it's the same song, it's the same video. So just so everything matches, everything's the same, everything's how we want it to be. Okay, so now we've got our scene set up. Now we want to actually go live on YouTube, in YouTube Shorts and on YouTube. So first of all, I will show you how to set up your YouTube Shorts. So click on, so for your main stream, everything's done already because you would have had your settings set up. Everything's all set up, ready to go. And for your vertical panel, you'll need to click on the little cog here. It will bring up this settings panel. So you got in your general settings, you need to make sure you're 1080 by 1920. That makes sure you are in your vertical. Click on streaming, name it whatever you want to name it. I've obviously named it YouTube Shorts. I've got my server key and then my stream key as well. I've added those in, and with YouTube Shorts you'll need quite a high video bitrate just to keep everything ticking over. Don't need to worry about anything else, so then you'll click OK. Now head over to YouTube click on to go live. Now you've gone live, I'll show you where to get that stream key from. So you click on this drop down menu here and go to create new stream key. When you click on that, you can add that whatever you want it to be. So I've named my one vertical stream key. I've added in the description just to say that it's streaming for YouTube Shorts. I've then clicked on turn on manual settings, and then I've dropped it down to 1440p and turn on 60 frames per second option. Okay, you don't need 4K for YouTube Shorts. It's people watching on their phones. Really doesn't matter. Then you'll click on create, and that will then bring you to this, which is what I've created here already. So then I've copied my stream URL and I've copied my stream key, and I've pasted them into the settings here. Clicked OK. Now when I click this green button here to go live, I will then go live on YouTube here. So what I will do quickly is I'll click on edit, test. That's great. Okay, fine. So that's perfect for now. Okay, so now you've got your stream set up and you've got your stream key and everything. Go over to OBS. So when you set this up, when you click on edit, you can make it public or where is it? Here. So you can make your visibility public unless it's not private. I put it on public just so I could try and find it through YouTube Shorts itself. So you come over to your stream, push the green button here, ignore that. Yeah, you push the green button here, then it will eventually pop up on here to say that you have gone live. Okay, there we go. So now that it's saying that it's going live, so now I can go and search through YouTube Shorts to try and find my stream, and there we are on the stream in the YouTube Shorts format in the vertical plugin, good to go. So right, okay, so we can click on end stream knowing that that all works, come back over to OBS and click on stop there. So now that that's done, we know that we can stream in OBS in vertical over on YouTube, and for TikTok it will be pretty much the same process. You click on the cogwheel, you will then come into your second output here, name this one TikTok, you will add in your server URL and your stream key in here, and then you will click on OK. And then when you click that green button, you will go live on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. But if you already use your main feed here, your main OBS that you streamed with for ages on YouTube already, then the way you can go live on your YouTube and your YouTube Shorts at the same time, slightly different, slightly a bit of a pain in the butt, but it can be done. So when you click on your go live button, you'll come to this page. Then come over to here to manage, schedule stream, fill out the details here for test and test. Click on next. You can fill out all the information you need to do for anyone, so your live chat and everything. So you fill out all the information as you would normally do. Public, set your time that you want to do it. So we want to do this stream at 3 o'clock on the 1st of April, 3 o'clock in the morning. Click on done. It will then bring you to this page here, which is the same page as you had before. You come over to here and then you will go to your vertical stream key. Okay, and now that's done. That is now set up, ready for you to go live again on your YouTube Shorts. Then click back, go to manage, click on schedule stream again, fill out all these details that you need to fill out, and your all the details you need. No, it's not made for kids. Drop done. Next, just go in public. Oh, set this. I jumped the gun a bit there, but set the same time. Then you come over to this stream key and go to your horizontal stream key. So you make that the same way as you did before. Going to create a new stream key, horizontal stream key. But with that one, I put that in 4K. So you get the best experience you can for your YouTube, your Kick, your Twitch, whatever you use. But because you're on YouTube on this one, put it into 4K. So now, when you come back over to OBS, you click your green button to start your live stream on your YouTube Shorts, and just start your streaming as you would have your normal setup here. So my normal setup is to Kick. So my main settings are for Kick. I've also got the multiple output here. Click on modify. I've got my YouTube here. So now I can now go live on mainstream YouTube, Kick, and YouTube Shorts all at the same time. Now I will click sync start with OBS, click OK, and then when I start streaming, I will go live on Kick, YouTube, and YouTube Shorts, all set up at the right time, all scheduled, all done, nothing to worry about. So that's it. Yeah, you just need to make sure you link your vertical scenes with your make sure you go to link scenes and you link your vertical scenes with your normal scenes that you've had before, or your normal streaming. Make a vertical stinger to match the stinger that you've got already, your transition between scenes, which is great. Or you can just use the bog standard cut fade, whatever you need to use that feels right for you. But for me, I made my own little video. Took me 2 minutes to do, and it just keeps my brand going. So that's it. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you. But for now, enjoy streaming absolutely everywhere. I hope this video has helped you out. And yes, by all means, please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And keep an eye out for new tutorials in the future. So I'll see you all then.